This is the NPET gaming keyboard for wireless and with LED. How cute is this? So this is my new keyboard that I have right here in my hands. Check this out. And I am using it for my PC. The way it works, it comes with a small piece that is going to be connected to the USB outlet of your computer. In this case, I'm using it on a PC. You can turn it on and off with this button right here. It's rechargeable. Look at how awesome it is. I love the colors. It looks really pretty, and I'm all about lights, you know that. And also with this button here, you can change the colors of the LED. Check this out. So this has like green, and this one is like blue and purple. So my favorite is, I think, this one. So it has 1, 2, 3 different colors. I like this one. I like this one better, and super comfortable to type in. I really like the way it feels. It is good because I can see the keys. I can see what I'm typing even when I am in the dark. It also comes with this small little stands in the back, so it can be a little bit inclined, so that makes it ergonomic. Love this product. This is how you plug it into your PC. This is a NPET wireless gaming keyboard, NPET K10.